Been a while since we done this. Nice to see they included the right plug this time. How's it going, guys? Will here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Logitech Z200 speaker kit, seeing as you guys really like the Logitech Z213 and PreSonus video. First of all, what do you get in the box? Well, of course you get the two speakers, a 3.5mm cable to plug them in, a power brick, which was the right version this time, and of course a manual. Bullshit. Setup with these was honestly really easy. All you have to do is plug the power brick into the wall to provide the 10 volts of power these speakers need, the 3.5mm jack into the speaker and whatever you want to listen on, which in my case was my iMac, and that's it. So kudos to Logitech for making this such an easy experience. In terms of design, these are some of the slickest speakers on the market. On the left speaker, there's nothing but a Logitech logo, and on the right speaker, there's a headphone jack to avoid this.
If I ever seen you in New Hampshire, I'll kick your ass.
Why would I go to New Hampshire?
An aux jack, the front volume wheel with the power light, and on the side there is a bass control slider, which we will be going over in a bit. They both have these uniform tweeters and woofers, which are the black and white circles which the sound comes out of, and I personally think these speakers look super nice in general. Because of the way everything's blacked out on the right speaker, it manages to avoid looking cluttered, which is honestly an impressive feat considering how much stuff is on there. I also want to say that because of the way these are wired up with only two cables, cable managing your speakers is so easy, and with a pair of these, your setup will look clean AF. Ooh. Okay, so now let's get into what really matters. The sound. Does it sound good? Does it sound bad? Doesn't sound bad. Let's just move on. In terms of the sound quality, I was actually pretty impressed considering their price tag. The sound isn't particularly detailed, but it's full enough for these speakers to make some great multimedia speakers. When I got these out of the box, I thought the bass sounded a little lackluster until I realized what the volume wheel on the right side of the until I realized there was a bass control wheel. Okay, so I guess I'm an idiot and forgot to test the bass slider. Let's find a song with some nice detailed bass and test before and after. Alright, now let's have a listen with... Oh wow, okay. Yeah, that makes a huge difference. Right. Yeah, that's way better. Moving on, let's take a listen to how these speakers sound. I'll be playing a variety of music, and I'll do my very best to correct this in post to make it sound as true to life as possible. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with these. They're a decent pair of multimedia speakers for a really good price tag from a reputable company, and while I won't be replacing my studio monitors with these, I did actually end up editing several videos on these throughout my testing period, and they actually fared pretty well. So if that's something you want to do but not in huge detail, then go for it. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Remember to like the video if you want to see more content like this, and smash that subscribe button. I'm trying to hit 10k in June, so every single subscription is massively appreciated. I'm done for now, and I will see you guys in the next video.